Hello, and welcome to the box room. The first thing I'm going to show you is something. It was the last thing that I got from that TEMU thing, and it wasn't that I didn't want to. I was just kind of like, well, how do I do this? So I finally figured out how I think I might do this. So here it is. It's like a funky little light thing, but it does things. It does. And it runs off.
Bluetooth is on.
Ooh, Bluetooth is on. It runs off a USB power thing. Ooh, look, it's doing laser things at me. But I want to do better than this. Hang on. I want to shut this off. And I want to shut this off. Oh, in there. Putting that on. We're on the air. And it's funny, I don't know where my other light at this second is plugged in. So I gotta reach way. Oh, golly. I've got to do better than this. Hang on. Where is my little light plugged in? Okay, it's plugged in here. I cannot do that. Ugh. Okay, so I can do that. And then we are all mystical now. The other thing that this does, if I move it here, I can tell it. I gotta see, I can't see in the dark. I think if I push on that, then it becomes like a light organ thing. And depending on the sound, it changes the lights. Woohoo! Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. How you doing? What you going? So that does magical things in that it mostly is ready. Like, I don't know how good it is to have it pointing in my face, but the real cool, things are falling, things are falling. The real cool thing is you put that in the middle of a room and you have music playing or whatever playing, and it lights up the ceiling. It's quite something. I see a laser right in my eye. I'm trying to avoid that. Woo! Anyway, you can also, with the controller, there it is, the controller, you can uh, do other things that I can't see right now. Hello. Maybe we forget a. There we go. Oh, right. There. I've changed it to a color, and it will stay on that color. There, it's green. There, it's I don't know what it is. It's blue. Oh, that first one was supposed to be red. I guess it's sort of red. Oh, the other thing I found is, oh, there's red. Ooh, is one of those things where you just tap the bar, the thing for a second. If you hold it, it doesn't do what you want it to do. You just gotta tap it, and then it's off. And then I can put on just the laser. Ooh. And then if I push again, I'll get the other light. If I push in the middle, I'll get like the light organ where it switches. And I forget what some of these other things are. But they do something. I know they do. But I'm not sure. Oh, fade. Okay, so this is not based on what I'm saying or what I'm doing. It just goes between the different colors. Woo! Well, maybe I can get a look at something else here. I might be pressing on the thing to make it... Wait a second. Okay, hold on. I think something in there is spinning. I've never seen that. I'm just looking at it. I hadn't noticed. Hang on here. It beeped at me. I don't know what I did. I really don't know what I did. Hang on. Hang on a second. I need light. Maybe it always spun. Maybe I just didn't realize it was spinning because I never really looked at it. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, I have slowed down the rate of spin. Okay, it is spinning now. And I have sped it up. Just a second here. There we go. I had no idea. I wonder if I switch to the thing. Oh yeah. So now it spins all the time at this higher rate of speed than what I remembered. I wonder, did I bring my other phone up here? I did not. Hold on here. Laser light. Okay, the laser light is now on. The other thing is on. I don't. Oh. Testing. Hello. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. Hello. Okay, so the laser comes and goes. Anyway, there are. Oh, it also, I believe, because I have tested this, it's a Bluetooth speaker thing, so you can have it attached to your phone, and then this stuff will dance to, besides what you're saying, it'll dance to the music that you are playing, is what it will do. So it does sort of light up the world. It does. Anyway, it's cool as you're lying there thinking about going to sleep, or if you're having trouble going to sleep, looking up and seeing this magical stuff on the ceiling. It is. I think at this moment, if I can see, oh, okay, well now I've just got the laser thing. That's not what I had in mind. Okay, that's blue. That's blue. And purple. It's very hard to see in the dark. I'm pressing another button. Well, I think that was blue and green. I'm not sure what that is. That's green. That's blue. Anyway, I wish I could get red again. I think I'm pushing on red. Oh, I see. I'm combining. There. It's red and green. And there it is. And things are moving and twirling, which I didn't know I could do before. The laser does not move. If I move, it hits me in different places, but it doesn't. So I'm thinking that as I have to reset the lights and figure out what I'm doing here, that maybe I'm going to push this back. Oh, the laser went off. I don't know why it does that. Oh, no, it's back on. I guess it does it with your voice thing too. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop recording this. And I am going to get the lights back on. I wonder if I turn this little guy on, what happens here? There. Ooh. I'm kind of lit up in different ways. Anyway, what I'm going to do is turn that back off. Turn this off. Turn the lights on. Carry on. Get back in the game and show you some things from the basement. This was not from the basement, but I think it's cool. And once again, this was a thing from TEMU. Now, am I saying TEMU's a good thing? No, not really. I don't know well enough yet. As my brother said, it's kind of like dollar store stuff from China. But so far, everything that I got that I know of has worked. And that is encouraging. So, thanks for being here. Thanks for enjoying this mystical light show. And we'll see you again very soon. We'll see you again. Why won't it change there's the color changes. Anyway, bye for now. Oh, I can't reach. There we go. I have reached.